Let's learn how to deploy a smart contract within the smart contract using the itxn.ApplicationCall class. The code example in this video will be deploying this simple Hello World smart contract. Now, there are two ways to deploy a smart contract with inner transaction, using the arc4.arc4_create method or using the itxn.ApplicationCall class. Using the itxn.ApplicationCall class to deploy a smart contract is an advanced technique that requires a lot of manual configuration. So the recommended method is to use the arc4.arc4_create method. And there's a separate video talking about it, so please refer to that video to learn about the arc4 method. To deploy a smart contract with the itxn.ApplicationCall class, you need to set two fields, approval program and the clear state program. Then, Algorand Python is smart enough to understand that this is an application call that is deploying this smart contract. In this example, we are getting the two programs by importing in the Hello World class from a different directory and passing in the class as an argument to the compile_contract method. After creating the application call object, you send it using the submit method.